you struggling with debt and wondering which solution is right for you in 2025? Today, we're comparing two popular options, debt relief programs versus debt management programs, so you can make the best decision for your financial future. First, let's break down what each option means. Debt relief programs, often referred to as debt settlement, aim to negotiate with creditors to settle your debts for less than what you owe. In contrast, debt management programs focus on helping you repay your debt in full by consolidating them into one monthly payment, usually with a reduced interest rate. So what's the major difference? Debt relief program might help you pay off your debt faster by reducing the total amount you owe. But keep in mind, this comes at a cost. Your credit score will likely take a significant hit because you'll need to stop making payments on your accounts during negotiations. Debt management programs, on the other hand, aim to preserve your credit score by keeping you on track with regular monthly payments. But they require a longer commitment, often 3 to 5 years. Let's talk about eligibility. To qualify for a debt relief program, you generally need to have at least $7,500 in unsecured debt, such as credit cards, personal loans, or medical bills. Debt management programs are available to a broader range of consumers and can help those with lower amounts of debt as well. One of the major benefits of debt management programs is that they are typically administered by non-profit credit counseling agencies. This means that you're not only getting help consolidating your debt, but you're also receiving expert financial advice and education along the way. Now, let's consider the cost. Debt relief programs usually charge a fee of 15% to 25% on the total enrolled debt once a settlement is reached. For example, if you owe $10,000 and the company settles your debt for $5,000, you will still owe an additional $2,500 in fees. Debt management programs, on the other hand, often come with lower fees, usually involving a small set of fee and monthly administrative fees. Since these programs are managed by non-profit organizations, the fees tend to be more affordable, making debt management an attractive option for those on a tighter budget. But what about the impact on your credit? Debt relief programs will almost certainly cause a drop in your credit score because you're required to stop paying your creditors while the negotiation process is underway. This can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years, potentially affecting your eligibility to get loans, credit cards, or even housing. Debt management programs are designed to protect your credit score by ensuring that you continue to make consistent monthly payments, though it may still have a minor impact depending on your debt load. Another fact to consider is the time frame. Debt relief programs usually take between 2 and 4 years to complete, depending on how much you owe and how quickly settlements are negotiated. Debt management programs typically last longer, about 3 to 5 years, but you will be paying off your debts in full, which could be a more sustainable long-term solution. It's important to remember that both options require commitment and discipline to succeed. Now, what are the risks? With debt relief, there's always a chance that your creditor won't agree to settle, leaving you with missed payments and mounting interests. Some creditor may even take legal action during the negotiation process, adding another layer of risk. In contrast, debt management programs don't carry the same level of risk since you are actively paying down your debt, but they require a steady source of income to stay on track. If your financial situation changes, you may struggle to keep up with the monthly payments. Finally, let's talk about alternatives. If neither debt relief nor debt management seems like the right fit for you, you could also explore debt consolidation loans, which allow you to combine all your debts into one loan with a lower interest rate. Bankruptcy is another option, though it should be considered a last resort due to its long-lasting impact on your credit score. Whichever option you choose, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons based on your unique financial situation. When it comes to finding the best solution for debt in 2025, there are several standout programs to consider. For debt relief programs, National Debt Relief, Freedom Debt Relief, Pacific Debt Relief, Accredited Debt Relief, and Cura Debt are among the top options. These companies specialize in negotiating settlements with creditors to reduce the amount you owe, helping you potentially save up to 25% on your enrolled debt. On the other hand, if you're looking for debt management programs, some of the best include Money Management International or MMI, Green Path Financial Wellness, Cambridge Credit Counseling, In Charge Debt Solutions, and Consolidated Credit Counseling Services. These nonprofit organizations focus on consolidating your debt into one manageable monthly payment while working on reducing your interest rates. Both types of programs are valuable tools depending on your financial situation. Debt relief programs are better for those seeking faster payoff at a higher risk to credit, while debt management programs provide a more stable, long-term approach to becoming debt-free. Debt relief programs offer the potential for significant savings and quicker debt payoff, but they come with risks, including damage to your credit score and legal action from creditors. Debt management programs are a safer, more stable option that focuses on reducing your interest rates and consolidating payments, but they take longer to complete and require full repayment of your debts. Both options have their advantages, and choosing the right one for you in 2025 depends on your financial goals, debt level, and willingness to take on risk. As you consider your options, remember that getting out of debt requires patience and a well thought out plan. Whether you choose debt relief or debt management, the important thing is to stay committed and take control of your financial future.